You put a cup of coffee outside on a cold day. Could you draw a graph to show what it'd look like? As its temperature dropped lower and lower. Oh my goodness, you can see it's a cold day. And you go and put your coffee outside the door. The temperature of the coffee, well, we'll have to give it a letter. Let's give it the letter H. That's the temperature of the coffee. And its temperature is a function of time. How will we say that? H equals a function, there's F. Let's see if I can get this. I may have to zoom in here. A function of time. So H is a function, temperature of the coffee is a function of time. What's that T there? That's time. So here's your coffee, and we know that H is a function of time and T is in minutes. So what would F of 30 equals 10 mean? Well, just look at the variables. That's T in minutes. So this guy represents 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, the temperature is equal to H, which is in Celsius. So the 30 minutes is 10 degrees Celsius. F of 30 equals 10 means that in 30 minutes, your coffee is now 10 degrees Celsius. It's getting cooler. Could you draw a graph of that? Sure can. All right, so in 30 minutes, it's going to equal 10 degrees Celsius. F of T equals 10. How do we draw that? Well, let's say we put it out here, and it was piping hot, right at this point, right here. And what did we do? We left it there. And so, what happens? It got cooler and cooler, and finally it got as cold as the outside. It went to 0, as cold as the outside environment. But did it do so just in a straight line, or did it get dropped down real quick in the beginning? Yes, it dropped down real quick in the beginning. Super quick in the beginning. Wow. So here's where it begins. Here's where we stick it outside. And then it really gets cold fast. It drops fast and starts to level out. After about 30 minutes, it's pretty cold. It's about here, I would say. What do you know? That's 10 degrees Celsius. And then finally, it hits the bottom here. That means it's 0 degrees. Oh, I'm sorry. What does the x-intercept mean? The x-intercept mean? That means it's now at the temperature of the outside environment, which today was 0 degrees Celsius. And what about this guy? What is the y-intercept? Well, that was when it was at its hottest. When we first put it outside. This is when the coffee, was at its hottest. That's the y-intercept. Ha ha ha. What do you know? What do you know? Well, that's it for now. I gotta go get one of these now. So long.